about the CSS overflow lesson number 18. In this, we are going to see about the CSS overflow visible. So, it is by default, and this overflow is visible, meaning is that this is the browser. So, this is a browser, and this is the default normal text, normal paragraph of my web page, and it is default. It is by default, and this overflow is visible. That means it will not clip it, and it rendered outside the element box also. And this overflow property you can use whenever you want to have better control of the layout. So in my notepad here I'm going to make my text bigger so that you get my divide element clearly. So here I have taken the divide property. So uh, click selecting the divide element and adding the background color for it, background color like hashtag EEE and comma, and next we are going to add the width for it, width like 200 pixel, comma, and after that I'm going to write the height like 50 pixel, comma. After height I'm going to write the border like 1 pixel, dotted black, and after that I'm going to write the overflow visible. So ending the declaration, Control S and refreshing my browser. So you can see the overflow visible, and I have added the width as 200 pixel and height as 50 pixel. So it is clipped only for the 200 pixel and height for 50 pixel, and remaining text also we can see. So this is visible overflow, and it is not clipped, and it is rendered outside the element box also. So this is the element box, and we can see the whole text, and this is our overflow visible, and tomorrow we are going to see about the hidden. So if you want, okay, I'll complete now only. So instead of writing the visible, just write the hidden. Control S and refreshing my browser. So you can not see the remaining text. We cannot scroll also. So this is a hidden and visible. So you can see again I'm writing here visible. So this is the difference between the visible and hidden. Control S and refreshing my browser. So you can see the text in the visible, and you can't see the text in the hidden. So hidden. Control S and refreshing the browser. So this is the result, and with the hidden value the overflow is clipped and the rest of the content is hidden. We can't see the remaining text, and you can use the overflow property when you want to have better control of the layout. And another thing, without adding this text before, our text is completely on our page. But after adding the overlap image, overlapping the overflowing the visible or hidden, the text has become to a particular part like width 200 pixels. So the text is come to in a order. So this is the difference between the overflow and hidden, overflow visible and overflow hidden. So guys, from tomorrow in the next topic we are going to see about the slow and auto. After that I'm going to explain the overflow X and overflow Y. So never be forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Signing off. Thank you for watching. Signing off.
Signing off, tarikadedeepya. Thank you for watching Ours Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.